चल पड़े हैं दृढ़ निश्चय कर और मन में ये विश्वास लिए कि पाना है मंजिल को, चाहे लग जाए आग पैरों तले। रह गई थी मंजिल बस एक कदम दूर पिछले साल। क्या इस बार होगा दिल्ली कैपिटल्स का चैंपियन बनने का सपना पूरा, या एक बार फिर होंगे उनके फैंस के सपने चकनाचूर? Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I am your host and dost Abhijit Singh Bhamra. Alongside me, I have my friend Atishay Jain. By far, you might have recognized that we'll be talking about the Delhi Munde, Delhi Capitals, and what are their strengths, weaknesses, and can they go the distance? And do you think that they have it in them this time around to win their maiden IPL crown?
Well, as you rightly pointed out, Abhijit, the story for Delhi Capitals last season was so close yet so far. They played brilliantly well in the league stage of the tournament but stumbled at the last hurdle as Mumbai Indians defeated them in the final. But this year their squad looks even more stronger, although Shreyas Iyer won't be there for the entire season. But on paper, if you look, they have a nice blend of young players as well as experienced players. But if you ask me, what is one thing which is going to define Delhi Capitals' season this year? It's going to be Rishabh Pant. Because in absence of Shreyas Iyer, the young left-hander has been entrusted by the Delhi-based franchise to lead them to the promised land, and now we have to see how he manages and how he evolves as a captain. So my first question to you, Abhijit, is what do you make? Do you think Rishabh Pant has that in him to take this Delhi franchise to the promised land?
Well, if you see the purple patch which he has hit in the past 6 odd months, then things should fall into places. And you should also not forget, Atishay, that he will not be the lone warrior out there. He has some experienced heads out there in the form of Steve Smith. You have Ajinkya Rahane, Ravi Ashwin, all of them are seasoned campaigners.
Even Shikhar Dhawan.
Yes, even Shikhar Dhawan, they all are seasoned campaigners and they know the art of leading a side. If you see, they will surely miss Shreyas Iyer, the man who scored over 500 runs in the last IPL season, second only to Shikhar Dhawan. But then you also have someone like Rishabh Pant, who can just take away the game from the opposition in space of 5 overs. But what I'm interested in asking you is, being the captain, do you see him coming up the order?
Well, definitely. I think in the absence of Shreyas Iyer, Abhijit, Rishabh Pant is going to bat at number 4. So once again, I think he's going to bat at number 4. And they also have finishers lower down the order in Marcus Stoinis and Akshar Patel.
But we'll talk about their strengths now. Having too many players, experienced players, can also be a bane for a franchisee. Do you think that all these experienced heads will actually help Delhi to win the title?
I think they are obviously going to play a huge role in Delhi's chances of winning the title, because we all know that Delhi has some of the great Indian talents in their squad. But in pressure situations and in crunch situations, you need those calm heads, those experienced heads, someone like Steve Smith, Ravi Ashwin, Shikhar Dhawan, who has played cricket at the highest level. Their biggest strength, according to me, Abhijit, is the quality of pace attack which they have. Because last year we saw the pace bowling duo of Enrique Nortje and Kagiso Rabada. The South African pace bowling duo absolutely run riot, especially in the power play and in the death overs.
As we have analyzed with every team, Atishay, this is not just about strengths. Every team has possible weaknesses. If not weaknesses, I'm not trying to offend all the Delhi fans out there. What are the possible loopholes in this DC franchisee?
Well, the biggest loophole, according to me, Abhijit, is the quality of Indian pace attack. They have Umesh Yadav, they have Ishant Sharma, but we all know that both the Indian pacers can be taken for plenty of runs, especially during the death overs.
If you analyze the overall situation of the Delhi Capitals, Atishay, how much do you rate them out of 10? And do you think that they can make it to the playoffs? And like I said, or like I asked before, can they go on and win the title?
Well, absolutely. Why not, Abhijit? Now that squad is also experienced. They have that experience of playing in the finals. I think if there is any other team other than Mumbai Indians who are going to start as favourites to win the IPL 2021, it's going to be Delhi Capitals.
2 years back, they made it to the last 4 playoffs, and last year they exceeded all expectations and made it to the final. And this year, all the DC fans out there will be looking forward to not just make it to the final, but to bring that trophy home. Remember, they are one of the 3 sides other than Kings 11 Punjab and Royal Challengers Bangalore who have never ever won an IPL title in 13 attempts. So that's a lot and lots of years and a lot of weight for Delhi Capitals fans. So for all the Rishabh Pant fans out there, I've got few lines for you and for the dangerous Delhi Mauler. अब की बार उसकी तैयारी है जोरदार, आखिर कप्तानी की है जिम्मेदारी निभाने को वो बेकरार। मत भूलो है वो जबरदस्त फॉर्म में, मैदान पर पहुंचाएगा बॉल को चाहे बॉलर हो जो भी सामने। भूल जाओ तुम धोनी, कोहली और उनकी टोहली को, क्योंकि अब की बार आईपीएल में बनेगी सिर्फ पंत की सरकार। So with that lines, you got to tell us as to how did you like this piece of information which we just served you, and do you think that Delhi Capitals can actually go on and win the title? In case you do, then do send in your comments and feedback in the section given below. And in the meantime, do not forget to subscribe to TV9 News across all social media platforms. Thanks a lot for watching.